Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to assemble this code. So first I'm taking the new file. Okay, new. Then assembly is selected. Then okay. Then I'm the insert components is here. It's automatically not opened. In that case, you will click on this insert components or browse. Then you will find it. Now I'm going to the my parts. First I'm taking the bed, then okay, open, then open it. Okay, done. Then I'm going to the insert components, browse it. Then I'm going to the take the matrix. Okay, matrix is taken. Then uh, insert component is taken again. Then I'm taking the pillow. Then another pillow is taken going here. Done. If I want, I can change the color of this pillow. It's taking time. Okay, it's taking them, so we'll change this later. Now I'm going to the mat and I'm select this corner. Then rotate it and click on this, and this one is okay. And again, uh, click this side or at anyone. I can put and taking this side and click on this side. Okay, it is attached. So here some empty space. The matrix is small. Then select this portion, matrix portion. Then I'm selecting the lower side of a pillow. Then okay. Similarly, I'm selecting this portion and I'm going to the pillow side of a pillow. Click. Then okay. Then okay, done. Then I'm going to click and this one is rotate. So I'm going to the matrix again and click on these sides and going here and attach to this file. Done. So pillow is adjacent each other. Then okay. And if I want, I can change the color of this pillow. I want to take this color or this one. Right? So it's better. And again I'm selecting this one. I'm going here and selecting this color. Then okay. And this portion I also can change. And this one. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. I think everybody got it how to adjust it. Thank you everybody for watching this video.